You can also easily measure out contrast in audio files with the help of Audacity. So to do that, you can go around into file right here and you can go to import and audio that you want to measure the contrast of. In my case, I'm going to just select the 8th anniversary file that I had. So now in order to measure the contrast, first of all, you need to go around into analyze and over here there's contrast. But for that, you need to select the audio right here and click on contrast. So this is what you have. So over here, you can see that this is the start and end point. So let me just select out the part I want and measure the selection. So once I do that, it is measured out right here. And you can see that I have selected this as foreground and it is a minus 11.97 dB. I can go around and select out the foreground as well, measure the selection, and you can see the difference right here. So you can see that this is minus 11 dB right here. This is minus 14.69. So that is how it actually works out. You can measure out the volumes right here. You can reset this out as well. So I'm just going to measure out the foreground right here, measure out the background right here. So you can see the difference right here. You can also export out the results as a text file. So I'm going to just save this out as contrast right here. And over here on my desktop, you can see the contrast right here. So you can see that the foreground right here from this time to this time is around minus 11.88 dB, while the background, which is around this time, is minus 15.32 dB right there. And that is how you can measure out the contrast inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.